I hope you are doing well. It's your girl Thea. So today we're gonna make some chicken wings in the oven chicken wings. Those are my chicken wings. I washed them already. We just make something fast, and this recipe is good for lunch, for dinner. You know, chicken is very good. Everything that is white, that means white flesh, is always good for our body. Chicken is good. You can eat chicken anytime, you don't have any problem. So that is it. So now I'm gonna add some citrus juice just to kill some bacteria. I don't know, I hope you can see. So then I'm gonna rinse everything. I'm gonna use some kitchen paper just to make like this, to remove some water. You know, I don't want it to have a lot of water when I put them in the oven, so that's why I'm doing this. So now our chicken wings are okay. Now I'm gonna just add some salt, then add my chicken pulver that you already know. For people who are new, I always use the chicken pulver. It's very good. Every time I'm cooking I use it, so just add it also. So you know, chicken flesh is hard to get ingredient, that's why I'm putting a bit more. Then mix everything, just mix everything together like this. So you can see. So now I have my box here. You know, this box, very good storage box. This one I'm using it to keep all my ingredients, you see. So then now we're gonna add some ingredients. So I will start with pepper, white pepper. Just put some. So we cannot make our chicken wing without white pepper. Then I will add paprika, this one. Then add some basilicum, thymian. If you have any question, you can just ask in the comment section. And please like the video, share it, comment. So this one too, I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Then we are done with the ingredient, this one. Then I have this kind one here, green. I have some small tomato and onion, garlic, and sparkle. So then I will just go and add some oil. Just add some oil. Then I will just mix everything, grind everything. Then you will see that it is. I use this machine, this small machine, Mr. Magic. I love this machine. The machine is very, very good. So I'm just gonna add this one inside here. Then mix everything together. Then add some Maggie cube. Then I'm gonna add a bit soy sauce, just a bit. So that is our mixture. Everything is done. Very good, very nice. So then what I'm gonna do is to keep it like 1 hour so that everything will get inside the chicken, and I will come later to put it in the oven. So thank you for watching, and just stay tuned, and I will come back to show you the next step. Bye. Now we're gonna put the chicken in the oven. That is our chicken. You can see after 1 hour. So that is it. We're gonna put it now in the oven. Then when everything is done, then I will come back and show you the result. So family, this is our chicken. Look at this. Look at this. Very nice. I like it. I like the way everything come. Wow. Can you see this? Can you just see this one? Wow, like it. So that is what I wanted to show for today's video. The recipe is very easy. You saw it yourself. So then thank you for watching, and like the video, share, comment. Tell me in the comment section if you're gonna try it too. I would like to hear from you. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.